Another day, another story. A rare event in astronomy known as the black hole merger will occur in 3 years. Two massive black holes will collide and merge, forming a single black hole. This allows scientists to study the properties and behavior of black holes in greater detail, as the point of convergence will be visible to telescopes. It's considered a significant and exciting occurrence, and is likely to generate much interest among scientists and those who love science. We might see something that no human has ever seen. Scientists eagerly await the historic moment, as it would be the first time that gravitational waves emitted by such an event have been recorded on Earth. A recent study says it would be the first observable supermassive binary black hole coalescence in human history. The collision would become a major discovery in astronomy. The event isn't far away in the mountains. Scientists have observed strange behavior from a galaxy around 1 billion light-years away, suggesting that two supermassive black holes are merging at its center. The researchers predicted that if the signals coming from the galaxy SDSS J1430 plus 2303 are accurate indications of two supermassive black holes colliding, it will happen in 3 years. Black holes are known for their intense gravitational pull that prevents even light from escaping, making them challenging to observe. However, new observations suggest that scientists may have, for the first time, detected light from a possible collision between two black holes. It's currently not understood how supermassive black holes grow so large, but it's believed that they may form through the merger of two smaller black holes, known as binary black holes. This is why the recent observation is of great significance, as it could help shed light on how supermassive black holes form and evolve. The finding is also essential for understanding the nature of these mysterious and devouring objects in the cosmos. What do you know about black holes? Are you just as excited as us to witness such a historical event? Well, see you in the next video and thanks for watching.